A historic Georgian-style mansion located on Lake Geneva sold for a record-breaking $36 million to become Wisconsin's most expensive home. The sprawling 40-acre property, known as Glanworth Gardens, which was originally built in the early 1900s, was listed last October for $39 million and landed a buyer just 3 months later, and it's easy to see why. Situated on one of the largest parcels of the town's namesake lake, the 14,000 square foot grand residence offers a total of 13 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms, along with an abundance of charming 19th century details. You can expect chandeliers, ornate moldings, hand-painted ceilings, a marble foyer, a grand staircase, and many fireplaces. Past the impressive, handsome gated entrance, visitors will be delighted with a playful and memorable drive through the woods, catching glimpses of the ponds and manicured lawns, past the children's village, and up through the formal crushed granite motor court. Once inside, guests are greeted by the grand stair and entry hall, which immediately proves the original intent of this house, lakeside entertaining. Beyond this ornate room, you'll discover a sunny western family room with wide-sweeping views of the gardens and reflecting pool, along with a lakeside library with rich oak paneling flanking the walls and ceiling. The office is quietly tucked away just off the grand hall, providing the owner tranquil views of the motor court and its fountain. Formal and informal dining rooms adjoin the kitchen, anchored by a La Cornue range and custom cabinetry. 13 fireplaces dot this floor plan, warming rooms that, in spite of their ample size, still manage to be intimate and comfortable. Ascending the grand stairway, you'll appreciate the closer look at the 30-foot great room ceiling with its intricate plaster and piping. The primary bedroom hallway heads to the west with several guest suites and the ultimate primary suite with fireplace, dressing room, and updated full bath. The guest wing contains more lakeside bedrooms, most with ensuite baths, bringing the total bedroom count in this home to 13. Elsewhere, the property is home to a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom guest house, a boathouse, and a carriage house. There's even a children's village, which comprises a 1-bedroom cottage, a handful of playhouses, and an ice cream parlor. The manicured grounds, meanwhile, come complete with water features, walking paths, sculptures, and 2 docks for easy access to the lake.